What's up guys, welcome back to another daily video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today's video is going to be on this 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. We're going to have some fun with this one today. We're going to do a body mount chop to clear some 315, 70, 17 tires on here, and we're installing an Icon Stage 7 setup. To maximize the front lift, we'll be adding about a 1-inch front lift shim on here with a diff drop. And for those that aren't familiar with the Icon Stage 7, they do include the extended travel remote reservoir adjustable front coilovers with CDCV and Icon VS 2.5 series remote reservoir rear shocks with CDCV as well. The Stage 7 usually comes with a standard 2-inch rear lift spring. This customer wanted maximum lift, so we've decided to go with Icon's 3-inch Overland series spring in place of the 2-inch setup. To maximize articulation and the performance of the front coilovers, the Stage 7 kit includes front tubular delta joint upper control arms. This kit also includes both rear upper and lower steel link kits and a rear adjustable track bar. As you can see here, this vehicle previously had a set of Method MR701s installed. These are a 17 by 8.5 wheel with a 0 offset, obviously in a matte black finish. We're taking the tires off of that one and we're installing a set of Falken WIldpeak MT tires on here. These are a mud terrain 315 70 17, which equates to about 34 1/3 inches of tire with about 12.5 inch width. Some do consider this a 35, but if you want to get technical, it is a 34.36 inch tire with a 12.4 inch width. And just a disclosure, to properly fit these onto the vehicle with this lift, you actually still have to do some bumper modifications, which we are not doing. We're letting the customer do that on his own. We're only doing the body mount chop to give him clearance behind the tire in the front. Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, if you have a 4Runner or any other truck or car, please either give us a call at 626-442-3150 or email us anytime over to sales@88rotors.com. Here's a Jeep coming in for some spider tracks to be installed on. And the front end is almost complete. All we have to do now is mount up the reservoir and do the body mount chop. And here's the upper link. And here we are installing the bracket to mount up the reservoir. Someone else attempted to do this job before us and was not quite successful. They drilled a hole on there for the bracket and kind of damaged it, so we had no choice but to tack weld the bracket on to mount the reservoir instead. And of course, I'm sure there's always some trolls that might say, hey, it's stuck on there now. Well, Actually, you can actually cut off that tack weld and remove it later. Here you can see the 3-inch Overland Series spring installed. And here's the adjustable rear track bar. Our BMC tech is getting in there right now and chopping it up. The body mount chop gives us about 1.5 inches of tire clearance. You can see the 2.5 CDCV rear shocks are being installed. Our tech is seen here tack welding on the block off plate. He then cleans it up and prepares it to be completely welded on. If you want to see the full details of our body mount chop process, feel free to click on one of the 2 links provided in the description, or just go to our channel and search up BMC for body mount chop. And here we are going to town on it, welding on the block off plate completely. We hope that you're enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and our channel, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And here it is, wheels and tires are onto the vehicle and we're taking it out for a quick test drive. Definitely a beast. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. We'll try our best to get back to every single one of them as soon as we can. This is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's 4Runner video. Thank you very much for viewing. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell. That way you get notified every single time we post a new daily video. And until then, take care guys.